Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course, today we will cover setup to run Selenium Java code. Okay, I have opened the YouTube MV and Maven project in pom.xml. I have added some dependencies. Okay, as you can see, three dependencies we have added. How we have added Selenium Java dependency? Select Selenium Java Maven dependency. We will type in Google and hit enter. Okay. Now we will click mvnrepository.com link and you can select any of the version. Okay. Click and then you can copy this code and paste there. Okay. The Selenium Java. All Java jars will be downloaded automatically using mvn. Now I use webdriver manager. Okay, I have searched Maven repository and I have clicked on the first link. Any of the latest jars you can take or any jar you can take. Click, copy, paste in pom.xml. Okay, it will download all the what we can say all the browser drivers. Okay, TestNG we will write like TestNG. Okay, and select the first link. Latest we will select and copy. Okay. In pom.xml. Okay, after doing this we have to I've created like util and Google test. Okay, just for sample. Okay, so I've created packages also, as you can see. Okay, for utils is the utility file where I have webdriver driver. Okay, and static browser name I have given string browser name, so you can type in your method the browser name. This method will be called initialize browser, where I given browser name dot equal in lowercase edge and for Chrome, and this is the code which we need to write in this for WebDriver manager. Okay, it will call our driver browser driver automatically from the Maven file, and maximize window we have, implicit wait we have, get URL also we have. Okay, 30-second time stamp I have given for implicit wait. For URL I have given google.com and tear down I have given quit. Browser will close. Okay, and in here we have a global test where I have extended this utility. Okay, initializing the browser. I have called all the methods of util at the rate test for TestNG, but now we have to install TestNG. Help marketplace, we have to type TestNG. Okay, and then we have to install TestNG. Otherwise it will not come run as TestNG. This is better we install it and then we have to restart even our code. Okay, I accept, we will do finish. Okay, then it will ask for restart. In some time something is installing, the software is coming in the progress tab, so let's wait and then we will try to restart it and then we will try to run our test case. Then you will get some idea how to run our test case in Selenium using Java. We have to trust selected for TestNG. Okay, this sometimes it comes, sometimes it does not come, these pop-ups. Okay, so it's not mandatory that you will get this pop-up, but I have got, so I have like tick mark and trust selected. Okay, now I'm restarting my eclipse, so let's wait, it will restart. Selenium WebDriver Manager is latest one only. Okay, it is a new update only where all the browser driver like Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox all are automatically downloaded as a jar in Maven dependencies. Okay, so we need not to download the Chrome driver. Okay, like Edge driver, we need not to download it. It will work automatically. This is a very good thing which came in Selenium. Okay, I think now it will going to start. Let's wait for some more minute. Okay, some background activity happens, so it asks for restart so that the TestNG will work. TestNG I have used because in many of the project JUnit is like it's not used. Okay, TestNG is, I can say it's inspired from JUnit only. Now I'm launching it. Same path I given, same workspace I have given. I have launched and it is in progress to launch. Yeah, it launched. I'm maximizing it. Let's wait. Yeah, now I think we can run our test. Okay, so we will run our Google test.java file. Before that, see, Selenium jars are there. See, okay. Now Safari driver, Chrome driver, Edge, Firefox driver. You can see in Maven dependencies. Now we will go to Google test and we will run it. Run as TestNG test. Came na? We'll click. Let's wait. Chrome will open. I have to allow this notification which came. Sometimes it does not come. It will open the Google and it will close the browser. This activity will happen for now. Yeah, Chrome browser is launched. Now maximize and now yeah, google.com is getting opened and it is closed. Okay, passes you can see 1, total test run is 1. Okay, failure is 0, skip is 0. This is like how TestNG gave us the result. Okay, so everything is run, all our methods. Okay, URL, get URL, we have given Google link also, so it printed. Okay, so now we can do one thing. We can go in utils and we can copy this get URL and we will like get the title of the page. That should be Google. Okay, so I'm creating method for get title and in this we write like driver dot get title only. Okay, let's wait. Give me a minute. Yes, let me remove get title. Yeah, fine. Now I will paste in Google test get title is only extended, so I will get it. But I have to print it also no, in console because that of I should write system.println get title. Okay. Driver.get title in bracket. Okay, it's done. Now I will paste in Google. Okay, get URL. Okay. Maybe I've removed it. I have to do some Control Z, and then I will copy this get title. Then it will be fixed. Okay. Let me do Control C. Yeah. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Yeah. Now Control V. Yeah. Save. Okay. Was working fine. Now we can run it once again to check the title is getting printed or not. See, now it's going faster. So maximize. Google is open. We got the title, I think so. Yeah, Google is the title. Okay, let me write something, then you can know that title is only getting printed. I think title of the page we can write the title of the page. Okay, now again we will run it. Yeah. Google is opened, closed. Title of the page Google. Yes, okay. Title of the page Google. So that is how it will work. This setup you need to do. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.